Juicy, big Jamaica avocado. We love our pear.
Welcome back to Nutrition Lawyer channel. On this channel, we advocate for healthy living, healthy lifestyle, longevity, a ketogenic diet, fasting, both intermittent fasting and full fasting, and detoxification of your body, mind, and soul. And of course, general happiness. Because if you're eating well and you're looking good and you love the way you look, you're generally gonna be happier, right? Yeah, you'll be happier. That's just how it is. Now, your health is currency. So let us do something about our health. Let us do something and get well. We are going to take charge of our health on this channel. That's what we do, okay? Welcome back. We're gonna be doing cucumber, tomatoes, and avocado salad, which is a fantastic ketogenic weight loss breakfast that you can have with your protein. All right, let's do it. All right, so now that our salad is ready, we're going to make our own little dressing. So get 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice. I'm using lime juice, but you can use lemon juice as well, or you can use vinegar. If you want it a little bit more sour, you can put in more lime or lemon juice. 2 tablespoons. Himalayan pink salt, just a couple of dashes, some black pepper, a little bit of Mrs. Dash all-purpose seasoning, I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper. If you don't like it hot, don't put cayenne. A little bit. And then you can do avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna just put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on it. Here we are, cucumber, avocado, and tomato salad with your own dressing so that it is healthy and nutritious and make you lose weight, all right? No added sugar. Let's taste it. Mmm. Yummy, 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 yummy. Definitely make this with your protein for breakfast, all right? Ketogenic way, low carb, vegetarian, vegan, so good for you. Cheers to healthy living. Mmm. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our previous video here and our next video here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Cheers to healthy living.